This is me, and this is my closet. It's a bit of a mess. I've been meaning to clean out my closet for ages now, and I've been putting it off for months, but you know what? Enough is enough. The hoarding of clothes ends today. Off this video for so long, and there's a few reasons why. Number one, the closet cleanup process is so long and it's really hard for me to stay motivated throughout. I always want to give up so easily. Number two, I get attached to my clothes a lot. Like, for some reason, if I get a piece of clothing and I am not wearing it, but like there's a reason I got it, it's so hard for me to give it up. It's a problem. It's a problem. And number three, I am really indecisive. That's it. That's the third reason. However, I am so excited to kind of have more space in my closet, not be tripping on clothes constantly, and actually be able to make outfits super easily when I wake up or when I need to go somewhere. Hopefully by the end, there will all be pieces that I just love in my closet. So let's get right into it. There are gonna be three particular parts of my closet that I'm gonna clean out. Number one, all of my hanging up clothes, so like sweaters, dresses, skirts, literally anything hanging up. Second up, we have the dreaded drawers, which involves anything from my pants to my t-shirts to my pajamas and everything in between. And last but not least is the mountain of shoes that I have in my closet. I get stressed just looking at my giant pile of shoes. Seriously, it's a lot. I did indeed decide to start with my hanging up clothes first, and man, was there a lot to go through. I moved my clothes onto my bed specifically so I could sort through them really easily and also not have the default to just be to leave it in my closet. I also decided to make three specific piles for all of my clothing. One being the keep pile, one being the maybe/second chance pile, and one being the giveaway or donate pile. Now, while a lot of clothes were pretty easy to decide about, iconic, others were not. Do I really need two cardigans? I don't know. But I did say goodbye to some clothing that kind of had it coming for quite a while. This is a really, really cute layering piece, and I think the color is really nice, but it just doesn't fit right either. Like, it's a little bit tiny for me. I don't really like when it's kind of a tight piece of clothing, you know? All right, you guys, I wanted a white turtleneck for so long. I always feel like I need it as a staple in my wardrobe, and I got rid of one, and so I was like, I have to buy a new one. But this one never fit quite right, and now it also has a bunch of stains down the back. So I feel like I have to get rid of it. Definitely putting that in the say goodbye to pile. Okay, you guys, I wanted to love this piece for so long. I've tried to put it in many outfit videos, just outfits going out and trying to look cute, and I just always feel like a grandma. And I love grandma core, but it's just not the right kind of grandma. But not to fret, a lot of clothing made it into the keep pile. Definitely a keep, for sure. In fact, probably too much clothing made it into the keep pile. The keep pile's a little big for my liking. But I finished up that first section pretty optimistic and with a whole lot of hangers. The second pile of shirts was about the same, some to keep, some to get rid of. It's one of those tops that I bought when I was going through a major Y2K euphoria kind of phase. And it's just hard when you kind of grow out of phases like that. I'm trying to lean less into aesthetics and more into my personal style and just kind of stick with what I know I like. But it's hard. This top is, my dog's barking in the background. This top is gorgeous and I love it so much. I got it in Vegas and I think my mom bought it for me, which is really nice. I definitely keep, it's so cute. I love the color. Cute. I use this all the time for styling videos especially, so I think I have to keep it as well. Again, this is one of those ones where I was kind of going through I really want a certain aesthetic kind of phase, and now I just don't know if I love it. It took me so long to figure out I don't like wearing collared shirts that much. I mean, I obviously like a few to layer, but I just don't go for them for on a daily basis at all. So I think I might have to get rid of some of these, which is kind of sad. I feel like it'd be nice to have one flannel, but I don't wear any of them, so I'm always debating getting rid of all of them. And with that, the second section was just about done, but the piles were getting quite large on my bed. Okay, oh, I just broke a hanger. These are my piles so far. I don't know if you guys can tell very well. This is get rid of, this is maybe, this is keep. I admit my keep pile is a little bit bigger than I would like it to be. I really want to kind of get a decent amount of clothing donated and given away. But we'll see. Maybe I can go through it again when I'm feeling a little less indecisive, but it's so hard. Like, I don't know what my problem is. I just get too attached to clothing. Let's go on to dresses and skirts. Skirts are one of my favorite things in my closet, so this is gonna also be kind of hard, but at least there's less of them. Number one, I know I want this one for sure, and I wish I felt that confident about all the pieces in my closet. This one I wear all the time. It's so cute. I love the style. Yes, absolute yes. This one's so cute, and I use it all the time for like outfit videos, but I never wear it out, and I kind of want to be able to wear my clothing out, you know? So I think for now I'm gonna put it in the no pile. This one was in my iconic fairy core video. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I'm putting the maybe. I just have so many skirts. Some of them have to go. One of the most painful things to realize when you like are kind of thrifting or buying a lot of clothing in general, it's hard when you buy something recently and you realize you don't want it anymore when it's been only like a month or so. That kind of shows like that I'm maybe over consuming more than I need to, and I'm trying to keep up with like trends and stuff, and that's just not the best. So it's hard to admit to yourself that maybe you don't need as much clothing as you're buying. That's a keep though. I do like that skirt. Definitely keeping this one. I wear this one all the time. Another problem with clothing is I always am convinced that I will find an occasion to wear it eventually. So I'm like, even if I'm not wearing this right now, one day it's gonna come in clutch. It's gonna be the best piece of clothing I ever owned, and I'm gonna be so glad I kept it. And that never happens. I definitely make that up in my head. Lots of maybes for the skirts. I just couldn't quite make a decision on some of them. They're just, this one's painful. This one's painful. There's so much clothing on my freaking bed. I don't know what to do with it once I've sorted it. Next on the chopping block were my dresses. The thing with dresses is I really don't wear them that much. I only wear them on kind of special occasions. I don't really wear them as a day-to-day outfit, so I really don't need as many as I have. This is one of the sections that finally some cuts were kind of made. I've been hoarding some of these dresses since like 7th grade, so it was time to say goodbye to a lot of them. I think this section was more about the memories connected to the dress than the actual dress itself. This is the dress I literally got engaged in. How am I supposed to get rid of it? And in the end, I did keep some of those dresses, of course, for the memories a little bit, but I did make sure that I was loving all the dresses I was keeping in my wardrobe. I'm definitely keeping this dress. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And that was that. As you can see, this pile of clothing is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So my thinking is a lot of the maybe ones, or even some that made it into the keep pile that I wasn't sure about, I think I'm going to try on. And then I'm going to decide if I really want to keep them or not. Meanwhile, I think that the ones I definitely want, I'm going to start hanging up, because this is a lot. I need to hang up the ones I know I love, because I'm losing my mind. You can barely even see my orange squishmallow, Oren, at this point. He's like barely peeking over the mountain. Orange squishmallows aside, it was definitely time to hang up some clothes. Hanging these clothes up, I could already see that I had way more space than I did before. I could actually reach in and grab a piece of clothing without everything just falling on the ground. And I still had plenty of room for the second chance clothes that I was going to try on if I did decide to keep them. I do feel a lot less overwhelmed now that I put the ones I'm definitely going to keep already in my closet. And I can kind of see how much space I have for the maybes. We're going to try on some clothing, and then we're going to decide what finally makes it into the closet. And we still have a lot of clothing to get to, so let's go. I'll be honest, I thought this trying on section was going to help so much, and I was going to realize right away what I wanted. But I almost feel like it made me question what I wanted to keep even more. Like, it kind of made me spiral a little bit. Okay, well, why do I like everything once I try it on? I was so sure I was not going to get this. Why does this look kind of good now? I also think my peachy down cargo pants just make everything look good. Again, why does it kind of look good with this outfit? Especially if I like unbuttoned it a little bit. Why does it kind of look good? Especially with the necklace. Okay, stop. Why does everything kind of look good with the outfit I'm already wearing? Like this deer top and the pink skirt. I was so ready to give this pink skirt away, but now I'm like, girl, do you need to keep it? The way I looked so shocked that I actually like these clothes. It's like I bought them in the first place for a reason. Like, come on. But it did help me see that some things didn't quite fit right anymore, and I did need to let them go. This dress is so cute. Like, it's one of my favorites and I like loved it for so long. But I think it's a little tight now. Like, this button that's supposed to hold it closed so it's more like this instead of like super deep V is popping open. That sucks. That sucks. But also I guess I'm supposed to be making some cuts. Of course, some pieces I did try on I actually did really like and was like, you know what? I want this in my closet and I'm gonna try and wear it more. Alright, I'm feeling even more unsure after trying all that on. I might go take a break and eat lunch. Oh, yeah. Hello, and welcome to my drawers. As you may have noticed, it's the next day since there's been an outfit change. I did not finish yesterday. I got too busy with other things. Oh, here's Sheriff. Hi, Sheriff. Yes, I got busy yesterday and a little unmotivated, and I did not finish the closet clean out, but we're gonna finish it today. We left off yesterday. I chose a few things out of the things I tried on to keep versus give away. And now we're on to the drawers, which a lot of these are like t-shirts, pajamas. So this is gonna be a tough one to get through since there's just so much. And I'm also really attached to a lot of these, especially my t-shirts. But you know, that's life, baby. A lot of these I've kept forever too. Like, they're just very sentimental. This Sundance shirt I've had for forever. Like, well, not forever, but since like high school for sure. I used to wear it all the time in high school. However, it is fading away. As you can see, the font is almost non-existent anymore because that's how old it is. So I'm kind of wondering if it's time to say goodbye to it. I'm gonna put it in my maybe pile because I do really love it and it could be a good pajama shirt. This little guy is a Spirited Away t-shirt that I got on my honeymoon in Vegas with my husband, and I love it. I'm going to keep it, I know for sure. This t-shirt I got from Costa Rica. Definitely gonna keep this bad boy. This Beatles shirt has been with me for a long time as well. Since high school, I'm gonna keep it. It's still a classic. Literally go on for the next 10 minutes giving a dramatic story behind each t-shirt that I own. So we're gonna fast forward and call that good. This drawer, it's like, who knows what's in it, honestly. Like, I just shove random shirts that I don't know what to do with in here. This is the My Mom Made It pajama looking set, but it's really cute and a really great layering piece, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. I don't know where the shorts are, but I'm gonna keep that too. This shirt I have been wearing non-stop since I thrifted it. I thrifted it really recently, so obviously I still love it, you know. I've been wearing it a lot. It's a keep. It's so comfy and it fits just right. You know how rare it is to find shirts like that? This shirt is really nice and it's like a great styling one, but it's literally so cropped in person, like you can straight up see my bra. So I don't know if it might have served its time, but it's ready to, like, you know, let it go. It's kind of falling apart. This is my ride or die tank top. It's so cute. I've never had a tank top fit me so well or make me feel so cute, so dainty. Yes, it's a yes all the way. It's a slay. And I wish all my clothing I was that passionate about, you know? I managed to finish sorting my tank tops and t-shirts, and then I did a little speed round of exercise clothes and pajamas, and then it was time to sort my pants.
Honey, where are my pants?
As you can see, I have quite a lot of pants. And I'll be honest, I wear like the same 3 pairs of pants, so I need to be brutally honest during this. I really need to look deep into my soul and admit what I wear and what I don't wear. All right, first let's do some jeans. Now, if I'm being honest about my jeans, I really don't wear jeans that often. Like, truly, I low-key hate wearing jeans. I think they're so uncomfy and I just like never gravitate towards them for the most part. However, I do have like 1 or 2 jeans that I love and I will always wear if I want to wear jeans that day. So these are low-key kind of stunning, like the pocket, the low rise. It's very Y2K, but this is another video. I think my low rise era is kind of coming to an end, at least in jeans especially, because I just don't like everything kind of popping out, if I'm being honest. Like, I don't like sitting down and feeling like my underwear is gonna show, you know? So I think I'm gonna start giving my low rise jeans away. Sadly, these jeans were my ride or dies for years. They were Levi's I thrifted. I stitched the pocket because I like them so much, because the pocket was like, had a huge gaping hole in it. But now they're kind of small on me, and that's okay, you know? I might have to get rid of them as well. They are kind of falling apart at the seam. And we have these mom jeans, really cute. I think I am gonna keep these. Like, these are kind of a slay. And I like the dark denim. These are definitely some that I want to wear when I want to wear jeans. You guys, these are like almost pajamas. Like, these are the best jeans on earth because I don't feel like I'm wearing jeans. And they have a cute raw hem, kind of like wide leg. These are my favorite. I'm definitely gonna keep these. We're on to normal pants, not normal pants, pants that are not jeans. As you guys know, I love my cargos. I have a lot of cargo pants. These I love. They're too big for me at the waist. They're definitely like 2 sizes too big, but I wear a belt, it works. I love them. I have to keep them, I think. These kind of break my heart because I bought these, again, I wear them all the time. I would love them, and I don't wear them as much as my other cargos. That's a toughie. You even need me to say where I'm gonna put these. These are my everything right now. My Peachy Den cargos. I wear them all the time. I think I wore them in this video. Love, keep. As I finished up my pants, I realized it was time for the final boss. As you can see, I have way too many shoes. No human needs this many shoes, but a lot of them are collected from over the years, or I got them for, you know, costume or for fun or for extra, like there's all different reasons why I got different pairs of shoes. Today's the day we're gonna say goodbye to a lot of these shoes. It's just how it be. Let's start over here with my faves. Just an obvious keeper, Sambas. Wear them all the time. Wear them every day of my life. Love these. Yes, I know I say that for everything, but absolutely obsessed, love them. Go with everything. These Docs are gorgeous. They have a little heart detail, but they're just not my size. And I don't know why I thought I should just try and squeeze my foot into them, but every time I wear them, they hurt really bad. So I'm debating selling them, and that's really sad. These, as you guys know, are my faves. I absolutely love my Mary Janes. I wear them all the time. They're so cute. In the keep pile, you'd be surprised for someone who doesn't wear high heels as much, how many times you need to wear high heels in life, like especially as an adult. I'm always like, oh, I don't really wear my heels, I don't really need them. But then like an occasion will come up and I'm like, shoot, I have like no heels. What is wrong with me? So I do need to keep some. I do not need as many tennis shoes as I have. I don't even know where the other pair of this greenish one is. Like I only need like 1 or 2 pairs of tennis shoes, I think. Sneakers. Chunky guys, yes, I think I have to keep these because there's literally some pants I have to wear these shoes with them because the platform is high enough for them, if that makes sense. Like cute Docs, obviously I'm going to keep them. I've worn these to death and I'm going to wear them literally to the grave probably. I'm also obviously going to keep my white Doc Marten sandals. So did we make much progress? No. I know it wasn't like a super crazy like closet clean out, like I wasn't purging as much as I probably should have, but I still feel a lot better. Like I feel like I have a lot more space and I am going to give away quite a bit of clothing, and that's good. By this point I was pretty burnt out, but my closet clean out was finally finished. I don't know how much you guys can tell on camera, but truly in person it feels like there is way more space, way less clutter. I can actually open and close my drawers now without things overflowing. And I'm pretty satisfied with my first little closet clean out, just decluttering a lot, and I feel like it'll really help me in the future. Alright, that's a wrap for this video. My closet definitely has a lot of clothes, and I do think that now I'm going to be a lot more mindful about what I'm wearing and what I can maybe say goodbye to in the future. But I do have a lot more space, and I have a lot more pieces that I just know I love and that fit right, and I'm feeling pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching this closet clean out, and please stick around, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, bye!